birthday to me! We're actually going to eat somewhere. A free food. Okay, thank you guys for all your greetings and birthday wishes. Nandito kami sa charging station.
Malapit na yan. Maghintay-hintay lang tayo. Happy birthday to you, Hopi, Hopi.
Meron po bagong tindero dito. Nagtitinda. 50% po daw sila. Pwede mo makatawad.
Pwede yan, pwede pa rin.
Tawad po. Pwede po buy one take one. Thank you! Thank you for this! Sorry. Nandito pa rin kami sa charging station. It's almost 72%. So I think we need to wait for another, is it an hour? Or, I don't know. But while waiting, I'll just look on this bag. Kumbaga unboxing, no? It's actually not in the box. So, anong tawag doon pag ina-unbox or tinatanggal mo sa plastic? Ano ang tawag doon pag tinatanggal mo sa plastic?
Ang plastic.
Ang plastic. Ang plastic mo naman. Kasi di ba box unboxing? Oh, so I had to remove it from the plastic.
Happy birthday.